Listen and read.
A. Conquer, disaster, predict, rescue, revenge, surface, wave, witness, get rid of something, volcano eruption. B. Conquer, to conquer the land, to be conquered by the army. Early in the 11th century, the whole of England was conquered by the Vikings. Disaster, a natural disaster, to be a disaster for somebody, something, to end in disaster. A tsunami is a natural disaster. More bad weather will be a disaster for the farmers. My carefully planned party ended in disaster. Predict, to predict heavy rain, to predict inflation, to predict a disaster. I don't believe that one's future can be predicted. Rescue, to rescue a person, to rescue an animal, to rescue a bird. He jumped into the water to rescue a small child who evidently couldn't swim. Rescue, to come to someone's rescue. The child was alone in the burning house, but the fireman came to his rescue. Revenge, to think about revenge, to act out of revenge, to take revenge on somebody. I know he has done it out of revenge. If you hurt or harm, I'll take revenge on you. Surface, a sort of surface, a hard surface, the surface of the water, the surface of the soil. There was an oil spill on the water surface. Wave, over the wave, a water wave, to move in waves. Sound, heat and light move in waves. A tsunami is a huge, powerful ocean wave. Witness, a witness to the accident, a witness to the incident. Any witnesses to the incident are asked to contact the police. Witness, to witness a car accident, to witness a fight. If you witness something, you see it happen. To get rid of something, to get rid of typical mistakes, to get rid of the witnesses, to get rid of the old car. I think you should get rid of this habit. Volcano eruption. Volcano eruptions happen from time to time. Some volcano eruptions are disastrous.